Operator keywords. Operators in general are used to perform operations on values and variables. The basic operators are arithmetic operator, logical operator, comparison operator, and assignment operator. Arithmetic operators. Addition adds 2 operands. Subtraction subtracts 2 operands. Multiplication multiplies 2 operands. Division divides the first operand by the second. Modulus returns the remainder when the first operand is divided by the second. Power returns first raised to power second.
Logical operators. It connects 2 or more expressions. Logical AND. It return true if both the expressions are true, and return false if one is false. Logical OR. It return true if at least one of the expression is true, and return false if both are false. Logical NOT. It returns true if the expression is false.
Comparison operators. Equal to. It returns true when both values are same, and return false if not. Not equal to. It returns true when both values are different, and return false if not. Greater than. It returns true when the left value is greater than the right, and return false if not. Less than. It returns true when the left value is less than the right, and return false if not. Greater than or equal to. It returns true when the left value is greater than or equal to the right, and return false if not. Less than or equal to. It returns true when the left value is less than or equal to the right, and return false if not.
Assignment operator. Equals. It assign values to a variable. Is keyword. It is called as identity operator. It used to check whether both variables are same or not. Not only the values, the stored places also should be same. Is not is opposite to is. In keyword. It is called as membership operators. It used to checks whether the given value or variable is present in a given sequence. If present, it will return true, else false. Not in is opposite to in.